Hi guys, today I'm going to quickly show you how I use Photoshop Express to edit my interior photos. Now this photograph, as you can see, I've intentionally clicked very crooked, but we're still going to try and make the best of this. So the first thing I would do if I'm doing a photograph for Instagram is to get the ratio right. So I go and crop it in the 8:10 ratio. Now I don't want so much of the ceiling, so I'd rather have the floor and the chairs than an empty ceiling in my photograph. Next thing, I can see that the center wall is not vertical, so I'm going to rotate it and get that right so that that is vertical. And now you can see, because I took the photograph at an angle, all the walls are kind of crooked. So I use this vertical skew here to try and straighten that as much as possible. Again, it's not going to be fully possible because this was taken very crooked intentionally. Adjust the rotation again. Sometimes you have to go back and forth trying to figure out which part of it is the rotation and which part of it is the skew. So this is pretty much as straight as I think I can get it. And then we go for the colors. So this is a little dark. I always increase the exposure. This is intuitive. There's no right number, or you just kind of go with what looks right. And every time I increase the exposure, I realize that the photo tends to look washed out and pale. So if I increase the saturation a little bit and the vibrance a little bit, it gets a pop of color again. Again, there are no right numbers for this. It's done intuitively. Now if you see the before and the after, you can see that this dark, crooked kind of photo becomes straighter and brighter, and the colors pop out more. I'm going to save this, and that's what I would use on my Instagram feed.